Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's morning meeting for Friday, April 24th, 2020. Today's morning greeting will be a simple good morning. Good morning, Mahalia. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Naela. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Lila. Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Obigali. Good morning, Angela. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, John Carlos. Good morning, Gabe. Good morning, Ariel. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Savannah. Good morning, Monet. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning, Suhaila. Good morning, Corbin. I just wanted to take a moment to shout out that yesterday on Thursday was Gabe's birthday. So happy birthday, Gabe. And today is Cameron's birthday. So have a great birthday today, Cameron. Today, we will be catching up on some of our assignments, and I think Miss Lanzafame's groups, you have some new learning to do today. I will be holding daily check-in meetings at 10 a.m. today and 1 p.m. today, and I will also be having them next week as well, although the times may change if I have a department meeting with Miss Glander or Miss Murphy. So look for the link in your email, and if you need to, you can join the meeting to have help with math or language arts. Today's work again is a catch-up day, making sure you complete all those assignments that are incomplete and to finish up your science projects. Yesterday's morning share question was, what country does the word ketchup come from? That answer is China. So for those of you who answered the question with the country of China, well, you were correct. Give yourself a good old round of applause. Today's morning share question will be, what type of pizza is your favorite pizza? Because today's Friday and my family usually has pizza on Fridays, I just wanted to know what your favorite type of pizza was. Mine is actually chicken Parmesan pizza. That happens to be my favorite ultimate pizza. Second would be pepperoni. So tonight, we will get a few pizzas and enjoy a family movie night. So today's morning share question on the Google Classroom will be, what kind of pizza is your favorite kind of pizza? So today, make sure you're doing your work. Have fun. Be safe. We miss you all and can't wait to see you again.